Sewing for doll clothes has evolved from simple hand stitching to accessible, beginner-friendly machines and comprehensive craft kits. For hobbyists and parents alike, doll clothes projects offer a gateway into sewing fundamentals, threading, fabric handling, seam construction, and embellishment, without the complexity of full-sized garments. Product number 1. Mini Sewing Machine for Beginners. This Craft Bud kit combines a compact, beginner-friendly sewing machine with a large accessory bundle: 50 fabric squares, 16 bobbins, 16 spools of thread, 5 needles, a ready-to-thread package, a folding extension table, and a detailed guidebook. The machine itself offers a built-in light, adjustable speed, dual power options, and a compact footprint, roughly 6.75 by 3 by 7.9 inches, that makes it suitable for tabletop use and travel. The breadth of included materials signals a strong value proposition for families and new sewists who want immediate hands-on practice without sourcing multiple compatible parts separately. Prospective buyers should note the generous 122-piece kit signals versatility beyond just doll clothes. Plus, the extension table helps with larger or multi-piece outfits. Cons: the small machine footprint can constrain thick fabrics or bulky layers, and the experience is still that of a basic entry-level tool rather than a full-size, adult-oriented machine. While the accessory diversity supports a wide range of projects, the performance ceiling may feel limited for more ambitious doll wardrobes. Performance-wise, the dual power option, AC-DC adapter included, plus a built-in light, improves user experience in low-light spaces and reduces downtime when assembling small outfits. The kit's 2-pound weight enhances portability, but it also suggests cheaper plastics and hardware that may wear with heavy use. In practice, beginners will appreciate the guided project book and the ready-to-use components, while more serious hobbyists might outgrow the machine's speed and needle support capabilities. Overall, this is a standout option for first-time doll clothes makers who want a one-purchase solution with broad accessory coverage. Product number 2. Cool Maker. The Cool Maker Stitch and Style Fashion Studio is a toy-style sewing machine designed for quick, low-stress fashion crafting. It emphasizes ease of use with a pre-threaded cartridge and smart stitch sensors that automate start-stop when fabric is placed under the sensor. The kit includes pre-printed fabrics, water transfer designs, and accessories like a stamper, clips, ruler, and a printed design sheet. With battery power, 4 AA required, and dimensions roughly 11 by 5.13 by 11 inches, this model is clearly aimed at children and casual crafters rather than serious sewing hobbyists. Pros: no threading required, automatic start-stop reduces frustration, pre-printed fabrics simplify design execution, decorative water transfer options expand customization, and the compact footprint suits desk play areas. Cons: results are limited to pre-printed designs and included fabrics, durability may be lower due to toy-grade construction, and it requires disposable batteries, adding ongoing cost. In-use experience centers on safety and simplicity. Kids can imitate real sewing without mastering threading or tension concerns, while adults seeking robust stitching will find it overly limited for anything beyond light craft wearables and small accessories. The pre-threaded cartridge and water transfer finishes deliver quick results, but the trade-off is a lack of genuine sewing versatility or the ability to work with a broad range of fabrics. The machine is a solid educational toy with fashion design flair, ideal for introducing doll clothes concepts. Product number 3. Anpro 700 Plus Fashion Designer Kit for girls with 4 mannequins. This Anpro kit is a comprehensive fashion design package rather than a sewing machine. It includes 4 mannequins, 27 fabrics, 17 lace trims, belts, rhinestones, sequins, a water-soluble pen, scissors, and a step-by-step manual enabling 80+ outfit ideas. It's positioned as an all-ages creative project that supports both beginners, ages 6 to 8, with groove-back mannequins that don't require sewing, and older designers, ages 8+, who can sew with the included needles. The kit's emphasis on hands-on fashion design makes it a standout option for collaborative play and early design thinking. Pros: vast accessory and fabric assortment, mannequins with groove-back design enabling no-sew use, water-soluble pen for precise marking, scalable for many projects, promotes confidence and family interaction. Cons: not a traditional sewing machine, so the fabric handling and stitch control experience is missing. True sewing skill development is delayed until a separate machine is added. The sheer number of pieces may be overwhelming for younger kids without supervision. Performance and usability hinge on the child's age and skill set. Younger kids benefit from the groove-back mannequins and decorative elements that don't require needle and thread skills, while older children can transition to sewing with the included tools. The kit's value is evident in its ability to sustain long play sessions and creative exploration. However, it's best viewed as a design and fabric assembly kit rather than a complete sewing solution for doll wardrobes. Product number 4. Sewing machine for beginners with expansion table foot pedal. This Zosiwi mini machine is a compact, portable option designed for beginners who want a real sewing experience in a tiny footprint. It features a 2-thread, 2-speed system with a simple on-off control or foot pedal, an expansion table for stability, and a 42-piece kit that includes scissors, spools, bobbins, sewing notions, and a finger guard, plus a light. Its stated dimensions, approximately 8.9 by 5.3 by 8.3 inches and a 2.46-pound weight, emphasize portability and easy storage. Pros: true sewing capability in a tiny machine, 2-speed control plus a foot pedal, expansion table and included safety finger guard, comprehensive starter kit with tools and threads. Cons: limited to lightweight, doll clothes scale projects, may struggle with multiple fabric layers or heavier materials. Build quality can vary given the budget-friendly category. Performance-wise, the machine's dual-thread design enables efficient stitching without frequent knotting, and its expansion table improves fabric handling for doll outfits and accessories. The 2-speed toggle helps beginners practice control, while the included 42-piece kit lowers the barrier to starting projects immediately. However, users should temper expectations about journeying into heavier fabrics or complex multi-layered doll garments because the tiny footprint inherently constrains fabric thickness and stitch length. Product number 5. Sewing machine for beginners with 16 built-in stitches. The SED-NEY model sits at the higher end of this group, offering 16 built-in stitches, a portable full-featured design with a storage drawer, and a complete accessory kit. It claims versatility for repairs, crafts, and home projects, along with a responsive foot pedal for nuanced speed control. The machine's dimensions, approximately 12 by 11 by 6 inches, and a 3-pound weight position it as a compact yet capable option suitable for beginner to intermediate projects, including doll clothes. Pros: broader stitch repertoire improves versatility, beginner-friendly threading guides and controls, integrated foot pedal for natural speed regulation, included sewing kit reduces setup friction, compact, home-friendly footprint with a storage drawer. Cons: price is higher relative to toy machines. The 16 stitches may still be limited for some fashion design ambitions, and longer-term durability will depend on how often it's used and the quality of included components. In practice, this model provides a more complete sewing experience while remaining approachable for novices. The 16 stitches cover essentials like straight, zigzag, blind hem, and decorative options, aiding doll clothes assembly and finishing touches. The storage drawer and included accessory kit enhance workflow, but buyers should consider whether the added stitch variety justifies the higher price versus the more simplified budget options, especially if the goal is to complete many doll outfits quickly.